Meet the MZK 20-feet pole pruning shear, your ultimate garden tool. Tired of struggling with high branches? The MZK 20V pole pruning shear lets you trim with ease up to 12 feet. No ladder required. Its Swiss SK5 high-carbon steel blades deliver sharp, precise cuts, making it a reliable tool for tackling branches up to 1.2 inches thick. Featuring a double-switch safety design, this cordless pruner ensures secure usage, making it ideal for gardeners of any experience level. Lightweight and ergonomically built, it delivers comfort during those longer pruning sessions. Whether you're maintaining your garden, greenhouse, orchard, or park, this tool's detachable extension pole and adjustable head provide unmatched flexibility. Say goodbye to complicated pruning methods. This tool improves efficiency and saves you time. With a 4.4-star rating and hundreds of satisfied reviews, gardeners rave about its durability, user-friendly design, and excellent battery life. This tool truly lives up to its promise as a dependable gardening companion. Take your gardening to new heights. Click the link in the description to learn more and experience the difference the MZK 25 pole pruning shear can bring to your garden today.